Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're in the S4 and it is finally clean. So happy. It's like here in northern Michigan, it is mid-September, I would say late September, September 20th. 76 degrees and sunny. My car is absolutely spotless and it's not gonna rain for the next 7 days straight. So good vibes here. We're heading to the shop today to go hang out, do a little photo shoot, meet up with a subscriber, and then we're gonna see what we get into. Dealing with a lot of stuff at the moment. Things are in the works, we'll just say, both car-wise and life-wise. Some pretty exciting updates. Fingers crossed things are gonna work out. We're waiting. Things are in the works. I'll say that much. No news on that yet, but that'll be a future video, absolutely. I'm gonna put my phone down and get to the shop safely. We'll catch you guys here in a bit. Now, ladies and gents, a couple people commented on last video or 2 videos ago. They wanna see this car, let me know. We got permission from the owner today to do a video on like the mods and walk around and maybe even rip it. We'll see. But if you guys want to see this car, let me know. A little GTR action. What? Satin PPF on the Rivian. Just like a little shop walk around. See what we got going on. The right-hand drive. That's so wild. You can tell it's a GTR badge. Big A6 Cruiser, 240 that we've seen on the channel. And then look, Grand Sport action, how fun. Like I mentioned, it is super nice, so I'm actually gonna change. It is too hot to be wearing this. So check this out, this is Braxton's car. Got the diffuser on it with the wing. Now something to point out about this car, it is the exact same color as Carson's A4, and I'm pretty sure actually the same year. So we get a glimpse of what Carson could have here with a few aero mods and few goodies here and there. RS honeycomb grille, pretty clean. S-line, this is literally like the same spec as Carson's car. I think same exact wheels too. That's really funny. You get rings with this thing? Where'd they go?
So, long story, they were on there and they fell off. And I'm waiting on some to come in.
That was a short story.
We got this off of ECS and I was just gonna transfer my rings over because the rings that I got just were like not my favorite. I didn't know if I was like right. I mean, they came with black ones, but I didn't know if I was ready to go into the black. I kind of like the chrome because I still have chrome on the back.
True.
But
that's what my S5 I had, black in the front and chrome in the back, and it was just weird.
I have chrome badging everywhere else, so I was like, you know, let's stay chrome.
No, honestly, the chrome, because the trim is chrome and the wheels are chrome, like same exact as Carson's car, and same color, so like it works. Plus, I really like the chrome with the yellow. It like pops.
That's what I was thinking, you know, and the brakes are so temporary. I mean, I didn't know how it was with the yellow, so obviously it's not the best job done to them, but I like the yellow compared to going red. I mean, I wasn't a fan of the stock gray ones. Sure. So I was like, let's change it up, and I was like, who else does yellow? So I was like, that's true. Let's keep it like that.
I know, mine are just boring, like, I know the...
But you have the S4 badging on them. That's what makes them sick.
Oh, yeah,
like
true.
That flat matte color. Those are gorgeous.
I honestly don't hate it. Evans had the red because he had like the sport. I don't even know what package it was, but
I like these better a lot.
If they were red though, the red with white pops. But
they're gorgeous.
I'm gonna give Braxton the keys to the car. We're gonna launch this thing because it's fun and we got nothing better to do.
With the clothes hung up in the back, I like it.
It is a practical family sedan. Ugh, it is my daily driver.
There's a race car.
Hit the star on the steering wheel a few times, cycle through until it goes to dynamic again. Let's see how Evan's planning on getting through here. Very carefully. Well done.
Dude, I made it.
I don't even get to drive this car.
I made it in life already.
I don't even get to drive this thing, dude.
I got like swoon in.
Damn, this car actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, when it's clean.
It looks sweet.
I washed it like 2 days ago, finally.
Thank you.
Let's go down there to the right, and then we'll turn around. So now we're off. All right, stop here. And then go 2 feet. So like left foot, mash the brake all the way down hard, and then right foot, mash the gas. Wait, and then let off brake. That's pretty fun. The turbo blow.
Is that even legal?
Dude, the turbo blow
Oh
up
my
is
lord!
my favorite part. That's so fun. It is a little scary to be in the passenger seat because I'd never experienced it from this perspective except for Evan's car. That's funny.
That's no joke!
No. This thing launches like crazy.
Dude, this thing is gnarly. Oh my lord.
And the tires hold it pretty well. Like you can rip with these things.
You have a literal street legal race car. I mean,
It's not bad for a 4-door sedan. No, 0 to 60 in 3.65 is what we tested on the Draggy. So you can rip it here straight too. Just hit it.
Oh my goodness. And it's so smooth. This is the perfect daily car.
No, it is. That's why I love these things, man.
What year is this again?
19.
This is just, there's nothing that describes this. Like, I don't think there's words.
There's something about the all-wheel drive Audi
There's
power.
something about the all-wheel drive, the fact that this thing is just, it's so smooth. The blow-off is literally perfect.
Right.
Dude, this is amazing.
Now imagine with a TT 810 turbo doing 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds.
I don't know. I'm still trying to process what just happened.
That's where I'm at. I'm like, I don't need the extra power because this is plenty. And I really don't rip on this car. I don't abuse it. I think I've only launched it 6 or 7 times.
Now, you had an S5, which was V6 supercharger.
Yup.
Now, can you, like, just between the difference, getting off the line, are you feeling stronger with the turbo or with that supercharger that you had?
Turbo, 100%.
Really?
Yeah, once the boost and like everything spools up, it is so quick. And like the shifts, you get power earlier in the RPM. So like you feel that power right away. And the red line on the S5 was like 7,200 RPM. So everything's just later in that car. I think 0 to 60 was like 4 seconds, but it's still a noticeable difference. So
Dude,
yeah, it's
this thing is a monster. A literal monster.
oh,
Kevin.
it's fun.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, dude.
I appreciate it, man.
Cheers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some pretty good lighting here, so I wanted to take the car out. Whoops, always wear a seatbelt, don't be like me. Want to take some videos and pictures of the car because this lighting is nice. And then, ladies and gents, want to have a quick chat with you. But first, park this thing. We got a little idle action. Can't tell me this white doesn't look good in this lighting. Whew. I posted something on Instagram the other day. I guess it's been about 2 weeks now. And it got a disgusting amount of views and likes, which is crazy. Like, amazing, love content creation, it's my job, so super happy about it. The Instagram post in question was a reel I shot of this dude who lives on the same road as me. It was literally a low effort, like 6-second video that I was like, wow, this guy, he's a car guy, look at this. I went from 3,500 followers to 15,000 on Instagram in less than 2 weeks. And it sounds silly because it's like pixels on a screen. It's fake, it's not real, whatever. But it's wild. It is absolutely bonkers to have like that influx of people that wanted to follow my page. It's weird to say, but like it's also cool at the same time. Anyways, had some fun, went to the shop, did that little bit with Braxton, super cool dude. Hung out with Evan, seeing what they have going on in the shop. And we secured a few videos that I think are coming up here that I'm gonna be filming this week and next week. I believe we have access and permission to do videos on a built RS3, a built S6, maybe an RS5. And I might be doing all those like really, really soon. So we'll keep an eye out. And this is in the works, but the owner of the house, I believe, if this account isn't fake, invited us to go on a tour of the inside of the garage. So that may all be coming up soon. Just wanted to preface with that for the upcoming videos. Also, I kind of teased it earlier in the video, but I have a lot of things kind of in the works as far as like bigger picture life stuff. So we're handling that as well. It's super exciting stuff. Nothing weird, nothing bad. Just know coming into the fall and winter here, we're gonna have a ton of awesome content. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. 25,000 subscribers would be pretty cool. Let's try and do that, shall we? Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. We'll see ya.